Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers, and first you draw 1 and use red color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids night 6 and use yellow color. The numbers of 6: S I X 6, 7, S E V E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. E I G H T 8, 9, N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. T E N 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use blue color and last read of 15. The numbers of 15. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.